Hello everyone. So I'm with my sister right now. So what's your name, by the way?
Well, my name is Jenny.
So you have to show your face. You have to show your face so that
Well, finally.
others will see it. So do you think that I am more beautiful than you?
Well, I can say that I am more beautiful than you. As
Really?
as
Really?
you can see, my face is so light.
It's just all about light. I mean, how about the physical appearance that we contains? It's not quite similar. Like mine, I have a very long nose and you have a very, really.
Well, my nose is not long, but it is cute.
It is cute, but it's not the standard for beauty. I mean,
For
having,
you, that's your standard of beauty, your face, but the other people is lahilisking standard.
but my skin is more, more flawless or more flawless than you. So,
Excuse me, my skin is more flawless than you. Look at it.
but excuse me, I have more, more
I
very.
have more. I have no pimples.
So let's move on to that. So I think
Our
it
ate
would
is
be
back.
our ati is back, and I think that when we come to physical appearance, there would be a lot of discussion in that since we need to defend ourselves to be more beautiful, right? And right now, what we're going to tackle all about is I'm going to question you, Jimmy. What do you think about Ati Ilan?
My ate Ellen is perfect. I have no comment on that.
So why don't you have any comment? There should be an specific comment about her attitude, about her looks. Do you think that she's beautiful?
Well, my ate sometimes is she is a hot tempered.
Hot tempered. How did you say it? Why? What happened? Why did you say that she's a hot tempered
Because
person?
sometimes she sumikalit ng kalitrag ko.
Kanang abrupt. Ayun sa man.
Kalitrag ko po.
Kanang,
Uh,
sometimes she just become mad, instantly became mad.
Sometimes she is instant ano mao na to.
Instantly mad. So she mean that our ate will just eventually get mad at you when you didn't know what the reason why.
Yes.
Yeah, that's
That's
it.
the point.
And another question for you is, how was your life here in the Kapartidusan?
My life here is Kapartidasan is so boring.
Why didn't you have
Because
any boyfriends?
I don't gawas in the balay.
So you mean that you are a very introvert person?
Well, slight.
It's like sort of. So you mean that? So is what do you think about being an? I mean, so what? How was your life being a slight introverted person? Is it good? Is it not really into the? Are you really okay with it?
Yes, I'm really okay with it because when I was a kid, I am ani ako.
So don't you want to change your attitude so that you will be, socially instilled person? Don't you want to be extroverted and explore the world it is, like that?
No, I want to be alone
Why do you want to be alone?
because sometimes alone makes you comfortable.
Yeah. So I too always I too I prepared to be alone, but actually being
But not
alone,
all the time.
yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. You don't have to be alone every time, because sometimes you don't have to be selfish. You have to have someone to process and to improve your life. So another question for you is that since we are in a deep, we're in a deep massive problem, we have a massive conundrums right now, our currently financial status. So what can you say about our life right now?
Our life is struggling. We have no money.
Yeah, we did no have money
Yes, we are the poorest.
of the poor.
Oh yeah,
So another question for you
we
is,
can't even buy a soap
yeah, even a little
amount.
amount of dish like bolad, fried fish, and even
A
bagoong, we couldn't
a
afford it.
sardines, we cannot buy that.
Yeah. So another question for you is that, It's summer, right?
Yes, summer.
So what are your plans during the summer?
My plans in summer is very simple. I will stay in the house.
You stay in the house.
Yeah.
So why don't you want to go outside? Like not really literally go in Boracay or in a very um in a very nice place, but you can just go outside and then you just expose yourself in the light. Why don't you want to do that?
Well, I want. I will do that because sometimes I will go as the balay.
Go the balay, but
To Marites.
aren't you afraid that your skin might be burned by the sun? Or during the marites you mentioned, aren't you afraid that you get into some conflicts because of just being so marites? Aren't you afraid of that?
No, because our spot for Marites is very secured.
No, secured or very secured, there's always some instances that your stories, your topics will be revealed. So there's no secret being not revealed. Always truth comes out, whatever it takes.
Well, our Marites is always true. You can't deny it.
But sometimes truth hurts. So that's why you should be very cautious about it. You have to be, liquidous.
Ambot pa na ako kasabot.
Why? No, you should understand it because you are a UM student.
I don't care.
As a UM student, you have to improve your English, your Filipino, your Tagalog speaking abilities because that's the nature of being a UM student. So, how was the UM? How have you been being a UM student?
Well, for me is kaan average.
Why average? It should be in a maximum level. Like it's really fun to to get to introduce with a lot of communication, something like that.
Primary it's average because I don't even study.
Why study is fun?
For you, study is fun, but
Not for
for me
me.
is not fun. It's
Really?
stressful.
It's not stressful when you get to have a higher rate or a higher score during the examination, the quiz. It would be as satisfying. So you should really study.
Well, for me, dili ko mag-study because I have a friend that
Provide you the answer.
yes.
But sometimes you really have don't you but how if ever there will be an instance is that your friend is not around during the exam, so you should really study so that but it's not really our
Well, I don't care about my score. I mean, if I fail, then that's it.
but you know that your score is a reflect of your resiliency and your hard work. So if your score is low, then it means that you are a very tardy and really you know
Well, dili ko masukuan na because
at,
it's true.
really at some point it's true.
Yeah.
So I have another question. So do you already what happened to your feet where there is a lot of germs in it?
Well, my teeth is so as I mentioned earlier, we don't have any money to buy a Colgate, a soap, a shampoo, so that my teeth is very bacterias.
But don't you know that cleanliness should be a must? So even though there's no Colgate, I mean toothpaste, there's no soap. There's a lot of substitution. Like for the toothpaste, you could either use a guavas. There's a lot of guavas in our surroundings. You could use that as your toothpaste. But how come you didn't use it?
Well, I am Tapulan, and that's
Oh,
all.
so that's the reason why. So
Well, my question for you:
yes,
why your face is so
what?
many pimples, haggard, and everything?
It's not haggard. It's just that I didn't get to, clean myself since I was really stressed lately. And then about the pimples one, I haven't slept for, a lot of time because of so many tasks to do, and I couldn't be able to rest myself or, you know, to
Boy balde.
to care for my appearance. So how about you, Jeannie? I think you're not that stressed enough to look like. Hello, oh my gosh, insufficient storage. So what is your opinion about it? That our phone.
With well, I am stressed because I have no K drama to watch.
So you should watch some old kid dramas like